Because you have the certificate of occupancy, also known as C of O, does not mean that you are extremely validly owner of such a land to which you hold two certificates, and that such a land can never be recovered from you again. Because if the land was fraudulently sold to you by a person that does not have a title to the land that was sold to you was not validly sold, and you that bought the land did not validly bought the land, it means that there was no transaction over the land ab initio at the beginning, at the first instance. This is because of a Latin maxim that says, nemo dat quod non habet. You cannot validly give out what does not legally belong to you. If a person that does not have a right to sell the land sell it to you, because the person has sold the land to you, you now go further to obtain all the necessary documents that will certify you as the owner of such land. Although those certificates may be validly issued to you, but it will not be validly attached you to the property in question, because the person that sold it to you at the first instance did not have the right to sell the property to you. And because the person did not have the right to sell it, all other things that you do over that land will render null and void, have no effect, because the law will never recognize you as a valid owner of the land, because you cannot put something on nothing and expect it to stand. Therefore, whenever you want to buy a land, make sure that you do what is called due diligence. Due diligence is being done by you when you go onto the land to inspect what is on the land, when you question the validity of the ownership of the person that is trying to sell such a land to you. Ask as many questions as you can from the person that wants to sell the property to you, and from the people here and there, from the neighborhood. Ask questions. If you spend your money to buy a wrong property, that means that you have just lavished your money in futility. You are on another episode of my law class at Abdullahi Legal Academy, and my name is Abdullahi Bayero Abdulrauf. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel with our username, which is Abdullahi Legal Academy, and also like and follow our Facebook page with our username, which is Abdullahi Legal Academy. Also, you can also join us on WhatsApp with the phone number that is showing now on your screen. Till another time that you and I have been meeting, I wish you a wonderful legal day ahead.